Today, we're taking a closer look at the installation of a biomass steam boiler. This system is designed to turn solid biomass fuels into clean, stable thermal energy for industrial use. A biomass steam boiler is a complex system made up of several key components that work together to convert solid biofuels into clean and stable energy. One of the most important parts is the fuel feeding system, which delivers biomass materials such as wood chips, sawdust, or agricultural waste into the furnace. This system includes conveyors, feeders, and metering devices that ensure a steady and controlled supply of fuel. Before entering the boiler, the fuel usually goes through a storage and pretreatment system, where it is screened, crushed, and dried if needed. Proper handling at this stage helps reduce moisture, improve combustion efficiency, and protect downstream equipment. Once the biomass reaches the furnace, it enters the Grate system, which supports and moves the fuel during combustion. A chain or reciprocating Grate design allows for uniform burning and continuous ash removal. Above the Grate, the biomass burner creates a high-temperature combustion zone. It is specially designed to handle a variety of biofuels and ensures complete combustion with minimal emissions. As the fuel burns, ash and unburned particles are collected by the ash removal system, which transports them to discharge points using mechanical or pneumatic methods. This system helps keep the furnace clean and reduces manual maintenance. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes views of our clean energy solutions.